Hey guys, welcome back to this edition of Value My Card. We're looking at a vintage Magic card today. This is a Force of Nature card, and it doesn't even have an edition symbol on it here in the corner like we usually see. It's got a white background or a white boundary, and the copyright is 1995. And I need your help. Can you guys help me figure out what the value of this card is? You can see that it's been used a little bit. It's a little bit rough for wear. I'd give it maybe a 4 or 5 on the condition. But please leave me a comment in the comment section what you guys think the value of this card is. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.